Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to make a CRUD with using Raspberry with Laravel 10. Okay, we start now, and then we will searching the PHP web, and then we need this. Copy this. After copy this, we will open the terminal, and then we paste in this. Okay, because I just finished to download the Laravel, I don't need this again. Okay, we will open the folder first, and then we need seeing the env. The first maybe like the root is no null, but I add the root because my laptop is password is root. And for the data db of database, this is before this is the Laravel. I change to Raspberry mahasiswa, and this is depend of you want to make the name in. This is depend of you. And for the db port is you must to send the for the db like this. For the db, and then we will save this because, and then we will open the localhost phpMyAdmin. we don't need to we don't need to create the new database as a php as a Raspberry mahasiswa, because after we migrate this, Raspberry mahasiswa is automatically is added. I don't, because I have finished this. I have this. This is the good feature in the Laravel 10, is automatically adding. And then we will see the in the config, and in the app we need to change this. This is the from the UTC I change to Asia or Jakarta, and in this from N I change to ID, and then the fallback locale is from ID. Oh yeah, Supron. Okay, this is for the local ID. For ID 2 I change all, and then I will to open the terminal. Wait, terminal, new terminal. And then I will PHP artisan. PHP artisan migrate, and then make model, and for mahasiswa. And because of I don't need don't need to make that again. You can see
Lah, gara-gara apa ente? Makanya itu apa masalahnya?
you can see
Premium, Cok.
you can see this. I just make this. I just make this maybe yes this yes
Yang 2000
I
sama ini juga.
I just to adding this the table string and name and table string font, and then we need to see the folder factories, mahasiswa factories, and then in the down of return we need to adding the name and fake name, and then the down of the name we need to adding the font fake and phone number. Okay, after this we need to scissors. Where is scissors? Oh, scissors in here. Use. Okay, we need to adding the app models mahasiswa, and because this is automatically this this Laravel 10, I don't need to make that again. And for the mahasiswa factories is I manually to adding this mahasiswa factory, and we need only 5 data and then create. Okay, we don't need this again. I will to delete this and then to execution the sheet of database migrate. I will to migrate PHP artisan migrate sheet, PHP artisan migrate migrate tip sheet. And because I have done this PHP artisan migrate sheet, I don't need have, maybe I only to show you what the result from this. And we will, and the localhost PHP my admin will make the database like this automatically. REST API mahasiswa, wait mahasiswas, and he will make automatically of this DB, and then we will focus to app. Where is app? Okay, this app, and we will seeing the models and mahasiswa PHP, and this is protected is the first not there is not ada. I just make the manually this protected and fillable, and then name and font. Okay, name and fillable, and then this is model, and we will delete this and exception. Now controllers I before this the mahasiswa is from the controllers, and I just make manually the API folders, and then the API folders and the mahasiswa controllers make I enter the API folders, I enter the mahasiswa controllers to API. Then we will see this, and we will to edit this before of this not API, and then after I click the controller like this. Wait, controller, huh? This is will automatically to adding to this web. Okay, I will tuck. Okay, we will see again, and we will to make a new terminal, and then the final last is using the terminal is we will PHP artisans, no PHP, this is maybe not the last. Before the PHP artisan serve, we will make model for the research what research, I don't know. What research, where is it, research, wait for the research, where is the research. Maybe I will close this first for the easy for me to see the research. For the research API, where is API? Maybe in API2 FPP, and then where is in the HTTP, and then this is for the research. Okay, this is the for the research, and we will before of that we will to change this first. We add manually the API research mahasiswa controllers and class, and then don't forget to adding this mahasiswa controller because if you don't add this, the web will error. Okay, it's done. And then maybe I will delete this, and then we will back to, oh no, mahasiswa controller, and then public function, public function index. Nah, the first is you must to fill this return mahasiswa research collection mahasiswa all, this, and you must to adding this code. And then we will to open again the terminal, and then PHP artisan serve, and I just make this PHP, you can see PHP artisan serve. Okay, we need to open the Postman, and then what I need to, like this, I copy, because I have done, I only to I just finished it, and then maybe I only to open the DB and send. Okay, we can to access the DB. You can see Ica Haryanti, Bawarna, Kasia, Puji Astuti. It's same like this. Ica Haryanti font is connection for the database localhost PHP my admin, and then we will try the adding the data for the database. Okay, we will going to mahasiswa request first, store mahasiswa return, and ini this is the first is false, you must to change to true. Okay, and this is the first is null, I adding the name and font, and required string max 255, and then for the class store mahasiswa request. Okay, for the mahasiswa controller we will back to public function store, and we will to write the data mahasiswa, create, request, and validate, and you must to write validated, you need to D, because maybe this is the small mistake, but this mistake is very big for the programmer, because making the error the system. and we will to check to postman, and then the first is maybe post, and then for this row, and then text text is Jason is benar, is correct, and then maybe I will to mm, up, post the data or create the data or new data like this. Maybe you must to tutup kurung kurawal the first, and then you must to adding for this name, I don't know, for this name and titik dua Robit, I want to Robit al Bogori maybe, and then the font is I change to 991. Okay, we will send the data to Brett, and I get you can see data Robit Al Bogori updated at created at ID 7. We will see in the PHP my admin. Okay, you can see that. Okay, we success to create the data, and then now is public functions show. We need to write the return mahasiswa research make mahasiswa, and then we will see in this and the postman and see to get. Okay, get maybe for the example I want to see the first data in this postman, and I forgot to non is, and then we will send the request. The first data is Ica Haryanti, and the ID, this is expand for ID. If you want to search the second data in this postman, you can write 2. You can see, and maybe I want to see 7 is maybe I will see the last of just created Robit Al Bogori. Okay, like that. Okay, we will back to VS Code, and then we will going to update mahasiswa. For the return is the asal originally is false. We need to change to true, and for the return is like same like before, like the previous is like the store mahasiswa. We can copy paste this to this, and then we back to mahasiswa controller again, public function update for, and then string mahasiswa and update and request. request validated. You need to see this validate is need D, because maybe the newbie programmer like me maybe will hard if we find the error only one only one text, like only the you must find from this many of code, and then you can see like this: mahasiswa update request validates and return mahasiswa research make mahasiswa. Okay, we will back to update data. Hmm. Oh yeah, put, and then wait, put first raw, and then raw. I will al Bogori, I will al Bunjari, maybe on the name I will, maybe I will send this the Robit Al Bugori. I just update to Robit Al Bunjari, and for in the DB is Robit Al Bunjari 2. Okay, for the last is delete, mahasiswa delete, and this return response JSON, and then for this and you must to give the message for the user like berhasil dihapus. Maybe I only berhasil dihapus, and then we will see in the postman, and then delete, and I will delete the data 7. The data 7 is Robit Al Bunjari, and I choose the none, then I will send message data berhasil dihapus, and then we will see in the local host, and then you can see the data is deleted by me. Okay, maybe that's from me for this Siarude with Laravel API 10. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.